So in Medicare, there is a new feature in the pharmacy module. You can create draft order. So if you want to add some items for a particular patient and you don't want to create the bill immediately, and if you want to create it as a draft, and you want to generate the bill only when required. So in between you can add as much as items you need, and once you need to generate the bill, you can create the bill from that particular draft. So I will show you how to do that. So you just need to select the, as usual, you go to the pharmacy module, go to the sales, and you can enter the patient ID and you can select the item. I am selecting ABC tablet. So here as usual you just select the batch number and the quantity. So I am selecting two quantities of this particular tablet of this particular batch number, and I am selecting that. And here you can see one new button, that is add to draft. So if you want to normally bill it, you can click on the add to bill, and if you want to keep it as a draft, you can click on the add to draft button. So you just click on that. So you can see this item got added in the top grid. So here is the controls for adding the items for the sale, but above that there will be a draft area, draft order. You can see the label draft order. So here the draft items will be showing. So I am adding one more item. I am selecting 10 quantities. Again I am adding to draft. So these three items are there. One item is having one quantity, two quantity, and this third item is having 10 quantity. So I don't want to create the order. If I want to create the order right now, then I can just go to select these items, enter the correct quantities, and create order. That I can do right away. So if I don't want to do it, no need to do anything else. You just add it as draft, and you can just go and do the other tasks like OP or billing or whatever you want. You can do it, and again whenever you want to generate the bill, you can just come back to the sale entry page, and there as usual you select the patient ID, and as usually click the go button, and then there will be a button view draft order. So if you click on that button, you can see all the items which you added, just like we add the items in the shopping cart in Amazon or Flipkart. You can add these items in the, that will be shown here. So you can just again you can just confirm. So from the draft which all items you need, you just need to select it, and you can enter the quantity again if you want to change it. So previously while you added as draft, you entered the quantity as 2. If you want to make it 3, you can change it here, and you can go to create order. So as you can see, the items, I already selected 2 items from the draft, so that 2 items got added below, and you can just click on the generate bill. So this is how you can create the draft, and you can generate the bill from a draft bill. Thank you so much.